How's it going, everyone? Mario here. In this video we're gonna talk about the mistakes that I made in my trading career. Oh, you trading in itself is a big mistake. Ha ha ha. Fuck you. Number 1. Overtrading. Have you ever wake up in the morning, had a nice cup of coffee, go through all the charts and setup, but you find jack shit, but you still want to take the trades? The itch in your finger that you had to buy something, that you have to do something with that money in your buying power, because God forbid you have that money in your buying power, you had to spend it on some bullshit call or bullshit puts. This was my first mistake. Itch to trade something even if there is no setup being offered. This is also called as gambling addiction. Took a while for me to get better from it, but talking to a lot of members in the Discord, I can see that most of them want to trade every single day. Oh, I want to get in and out. Shut the fuck up, you don't. The worst part is all these Discord gurus or YouTube gurus advocating this. Oh, you gotta be quick, man. You gotta be in and out. If you're a beginner, you don't have to trade every single day. Paper trade. Paper trade with free money. Learn how to do it. You can't just go to a gym, expect to get 6 packs in like literally 2 days. Or, I mean, you can just pump yourself with steroids, but unfortunately, taking steroids, aka insider information, is illegal when it comes to stock market. That only works if you're rich. The first thing I learned from that mistake is not to trade every single day, because you don't have to. This is the main reason why you're losing money. You make $600 one day and then you lose $1,200 the next day because you have shit risk management. I have a goal of making $100 every single day. You can't make $100 consistently every single day as a beginner. Idiots try to sell you that shit, but that doesn't work. Taking one trade or 2 trades a month makes your P&L outperform the S&P 500. Oh, I want to be a day trader. No, you don't. You don't even know what you're doing. You'd be better off going to a gas station and buy a lottery ticket and scratch off and then make money from that than being a day trader and then make money from the stock market, especially if you're just a beginner. If anyone tells you otherwise, they are lying. This is number 2. Buying a course doesn't make you a better trader. Having a proper risk management does. So, focus on having a proper risk management. Focus on protecting your capital. You can be a best technical analyst out there, but without a proper psychology, without a proper mental state, without a proper risk management, you're going to lose shit tons of money regardless of how good you are in analyzing the price. Learning technical analysis is way easier than mastering the psychological side when it comes to trading. Number 1 is overtrading. Number 2, thinking that buying a course will make me a better trader. Learning technical analysis will make me a better trader. Well, it does, but it won't make you money if you don't have a proper risk management to it. It's just sad to see the new traders getting taken advantage of, especially during the bear markets when they're already struggling to make money. Oh guys, I made $10,000, but did I tell you about my Cash App? You can send money to that if you want to support me. If you make $10,000, why the fuck you need Cash App to people to send you money? Either you're lying or you're just a scumbag. Or both. No one cares. Every single information what you need is available for free. You can learn it by yourself. You're not gonna learn by watching some dumbass course videos and spending like $300 on them. By the way, did I tell you guys about my Patreon? Go ahead, check it out. Link is down below in the description. Aha! If you see someone bragging about their lifestyle, oh, look at me! You can live like that too! No one cares. We're all here to learn. There's a lot of resources available. You'd be better off buying a book written by Peter Lynch, or buying a book written by Warren Buffett, buying a book written by any reputed investors, and learn something from them rather than buying these idiots' courses. Some of the indicators which they use have zero backtesting on it. Zero. Why will you waste money by spending $300, $400, $500, the amount of money which they charge for these courses? Jesus fucking Christ. If you're new, a lot of information available for free online. You can go ahead and check it out on your own. The last one on this list. Stop playing earnings. Oh my fucking god. Stop gambling on earnings. Stop buying calls or puts into earnings. There is a lot of different ways you can play earnings, or buying weekly calls or weekly puts is not one of them. These people only share the screenshots of their profits if they win. Most of the time, they don't. When the new people see these screenshots of their wins, like $10,000, $20,000 of their money, oh my god, playing earnings make me a lot of money. No, they don't. They don't. But the stock goes up big time or goes down big time. You think the market doesn't know that? The market already priced in those expected move into the option chains. Markets are forward looking for a reason. Stop gambling on earnings. There's a lot of different ways. You can either sell strangles or sell straddles. That is still risky, but at least you know what your risk level is. You're taking advantage of overinflated premiums. So when the earnings is reported, when the uncertainty is done, those premiums will get crushed and you'll make money on your straddles or strangles. You sell 2 standard deviations above or below and you can make money. Though risky, still a strategy to look into to capture these overpriced premiums. Buying a call or buying a put when the premiums are already overinflated is a death sentence, especially if you're new traders. Stop trading earnings. You can trade it the next day. Nothing is gonna happen by staying on the sidelines for one day. When the market opens, you can find much better setup when the stock hits support or resistance. You can either buy calls or you can either buy puts. Stop gambling on earnings. That is number 3. In 2023, try not to overtrade. Try not to waste money by spending $300, $400 on any bullshit courses. If there is a way, there is an easy way to make money online through courses or through any strategy. Don't you think everyone will be doing the same? You would much rather invest that money into S&P 500 or NASDAQ. You'll be much better off. You'll be thanking yourself in another 4, 5 or 10 years, who knows? Stop gambling on earnings. I can't stress this enough. Stop gambling on earnings and stop gambling altogether. As always, take high probability trades, manage the risk wisely. I'll see you guys in the next one.